Hello student, today we are going to solve 9th standard physics CBSE motion chapter, derivations of the equation of motion. Okay, these are very important for the solving the problem and also the derivation asked in the examination. Okay, for this you have to write down these 3 lines and the graph is compulsory for three equation. Now consider a body is moving from A, means body start from A with an initial velocity u, means this distance is u, means velocity of body is u. After time t, its velocity changes to v, means it reaches to the point at point B. Okay, its velocity. Now draw the graph between time and velocity. Okay, so now the distance OA is equal to u and distance OB is equal to v. Okay, now you have to find out the BD distance, means d minus u is equal to BD. This AD is equal to T. Okay, now we are going to solve the first equation of motion, that is, okay, now for this the slope of line AB is equal to acceleration, that is equal to BD, okay, upon AD. Now I am writing the value of BD and AD here. Acceleration is denoted by A. Okay, now what is the value of this is V minus U, and this is the value of T. AD is T. Now I will multiply this, so what I will get, AT, okay, is equal to V minus U. Now I will transfer U to that side, so what I will get, U plus AT is equal to V. This is the first equation of motion. Okay, from this you can find out the velocity of the body as well as acceleration or the time. This is the first equation. Okay, you understand this one? First equation of motion, I am again repeating. The slope of the line AB is equal to acceleration, that is equal to BD upon AD. What is the value of BD is V minus U, and what is the value of AD is T. Now I will substitute the value, then I will multiply with this and transfer U. You will get the first equation. Okay, now we will go to the solve second equation of motion. Okay, second equation of motion. Now what is the second equation of motion is S is equal to ut plus half AT square. Okay, this is the second equation. I want to prove this equation. Now for this I will take the distance traveled is equal to distance traveled by the body is equal to, okay, now body is equal to area of triangle ABD, okay, plus area of, now can be written as rectangle O. This point is, I am considering E, OEDA. Okay, now this will be half base into height. Okay, now V minus U into T. Okay, but area of rectangle is length into breadth and a UT. Okay, now from the first equation I can substitute the value of V is equal to U18. From V minus U is equal to 80, I am substituting this value here. So what will come here? Half into 80 into T, okay, plus UT. Okay, now distance traveled is denoted by S. So what will come here? S is equal to UT plus half AT square. You understand? The derivation of second equation of motion means you have to find out the area of triangle plus area of rectangle and substitute the value of v minus u is equal to 80. Here you will get s is equal to ut plus half 80 square. This is the second equation of motion. Okay, you understand this one? Now we will go to solve the third equation of motion. Now for the third equation, what I will do, third equation of motion. Okay, what is the third equation of motion is v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Now I want to prove this one. Now again I will take the distance traveled, okay, but now I will take the trapezium, the whole figure, means whole distance traveled. Distance traveled is equal to area of trapezium. Okay, this is the figure of trapezium. These two lines are parallel and this is height T. Okay, now I will write down the formula. S is equal to distance travelled and area of trapezium is equal to half h. Okay, what is the formula of trapezium is half h sum of parallel side. You are already studied in 8th standard. What is the value of height is t. Okay, now what is the value of a plus b is equal to u plus v. Okay, now from this equation I can substitute the value of t here, as t can be substituted as v minus u upon a. Okay, now I can substitute this value in t. Okay, now half v minus u upon a. Okay, you understand, u plus v. Now I will write down like this 1 upon 2a. What I will do here, v minus u, u plus v means you can write down this also v plus u. You can apply the formula a square minus b square. Okay, now what will come here, v square minus u square will come here. Now what I will do here, 2a transfer here to what you will get, 2as is equal to v square minus u square. Now I will transfer u square here, so what I will get, u square plus 2as is equal to v square, means this represents v square is equal to u square plus 2as. This is the third equation of motion. Out of this, okay, third equation, out of this, two equations are very important as my experience. Mostly in school examination, second or third equation will ask to you. Okay, in the examination, first term examination, these two are very important. But for these two, you have to write down this one, draw the graph. Graph is common for all the three equations. You have to draw the graph. Okay, this is compulsory. Drawing the graph is compulsory. Okay, now you understand how to solve this problem. Now in next lecture we will solve the problem based on this equation.